Okay, find the area of the region between the sine of x and the cosine of x on the interval between pi over 4 and pi over 2. So first thing I do is I want to visualize what I'm looking at. Let me draw a picture of the sine and cosine function. And the cosine function looks like this over here. And the sine function looks like this over here. All right, so this is the sine function. And this over here is the cosine function. And what they want to do, they want it between pi over 4 and pi over 2. So we're looking at this region over here. The next thing I would do is visualize a rectangle here. And a rectangle looks like this. And I'm going to write the integration down now. What's going to be? Well, the integration is going to occur from pi over 4 up to pi over 2. The differential is dx. And then the height of that rectangle is going to be the sine of x minus the cosine of x. Write that down. Sine of x minus cosine of x. All right, as you're doing homework, you want to make sure you reach certain milestones in the problem. And the first milestone to reach is, did you set the integration up correctly? In other words, is this somewhere in the text? And I'm seeing it right over here. All right, now let's go into the next step. And the next step is to actually do the integration. All right, this integration looks relatively simple to do. And the antiderivative of sine x is minus cosine x. Minus the antiderivative of cosine is sine. And we're going to evaluate that from pi over 4 up to pi over 2. All right, let's do it. And what are you going to get here? Let's see, the cosine of pi over 2 is 0, minus the sine of pi over 2, which is 1, minus, let's be careful here, the cosine of pi over 4 is 1 over root 2, so I get minus 1 over root 2, minus the sine of pi over 4 is also 1 over root 2. All right, let's be very careful. I get minus 1, and then I get plus 2 over root 2. I'm going to clean that up a tiny little bit. I'm going to write this down as the root of 2. And on top, what would you get? You would get 2 minus root 2. And let's simplify. What do you get over here? I can multiply top and bottom by root 2. You would get 2 root 2 minus 2 over 2. I'm rationalizing. And what do you get there? You get root 2 minus 1 for my final and simplest answer to go up with. Again, I want to recommend looking at the K, and certainly there's work down here for you. But my goal is to I get this next milestone, which is my ability to integrate and get a numerical value for that. And we did. And we're ready to move on to the next problem. Thank you.